Bitcoin is still pumping towards the upside, while in that short term, we are reaching a major level of resistance. So we need to be talking about that exactly. Can we be expecting a short-term Bitcoin cool-off? Well guys, definitely, while in that longer term, we are definitely going to be headed even higher. In that short term, we should be getting a little bit more cautious. So we need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes? Back above the 100 likes, that will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yes, yesterday as well, Bitcoin has been seeing a little bit of a dip towards the downside. And I was telling you to not get fooled by this Bitcoin dip over here. Of course, Bitcoin was reaching a critical level of support, and yes, Bitcoin has been bouncing exactly from off this level of support over here. That has been looking very good, but I was also telling you that Bitcoin was getting rejected by this level of resistance, and at the same time, we can actually start to have a look into a new level of resistance for Bitcoin. We can start to have a look into this level over here. We got supported right over here, got a rejection right over here, once again another rejection right over here, got back above it, right, and got a huge bounce back towards the upside, still got supported right over here, and eventually whenever we got down below, well, we once again got a huge rejection and once again fell towards the downside. So yeah, definitely this is going to be a very strong level to be having a look in towards right now, and definitely I think for Bitcoin it's going to be quite hard to be breaking back above. Now, do keep in mind that this is going to be that last Bitcoin resistance before we are going to be reaching that 70k target, that 70k, 71k, 72k target that we do have with our Bitcoin trade. Of course, we have been opening up this Bitcoin trade exactly at the Bitcoin bottom. I've been setting my Bitcoin target at about these highs over here, the 70k level, 71k level, and the 72k level. Now, in my opinion, I do think that we are going to be eventually reaching even higher levels, so we need to be talking about that exactly a little bit later, but these Bitcoin funding rates are still just trading extremely low, and because of this, I do still think that eventually we are going to be headed even higher, and definitely this is not going to be a top over here. We can be seeing a short-term cool-off just in that short term, create a little bit of a nice consolidation, but eventually I do think we are going to be headed even higher. Just having a look into these Bitcoin funding rates, well, the majority of the Bitcoin market is still trading short. That is still definitely looking very bullish, and definitely this is indicating me that I do not want to be taking my profits still, and still we are about to see higher levels getting reached. So yeah, we have been beautifully predicting the Bitcoin market. Anyways, right now in the short term, do be a little bit cautious, but this could be giving us a very good opportunity in the market right now. So definitely do be aware of that. Now, anyways, we are just getting a beautiful breakout outside of this falling wedge structure. We have been talking about this exact pattern for so many times on this channel. Definitely more momentum, more continuation is going to be inevitable towards our price target, in my opinion. We are getting this beautiful bullish divergence playing out from off this level of support, like we have been talking about as well many times. Bitcoin history is right now exactly repeating. Now yes, the Bitcoin price is just shooting a lot more towards the upside than our projection over here with this gray area. We are getting overshot massively right now. So definitely, yeah, a little bit of a cool off in the short term is definitely to be expected, and it's also definitely quite healthy. Nothing to really be worried about. Bitcoin has exactly been bouncing from off this level of support like we have been talking about. I've been catching the exact Bitcoin bottom right over here. I've been catching the bottom right over here and also right over here. It has once again been exactly perfect. Like I've been telling you, if I open up this Bitcoin trade, most likely it is going to be, the bottom that is going to be in over here. Usually my entries tend to be quite perfect, and once again, yes, this entry has been perfect. Now, do still keep in mind that this CME gap down below us is still open. Now, I do not think it is going to be very likely to be getting filled at all anytime soon. Like I've said, well, these bigger CME gaps tend to take a lot longer until they eventually get filled. And this is a huge CME gap, so I do think it is going to be taking a lot longer until we are eventually going to be filling it. But anyways, guys, if you're going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, with this opportunity might be coming up right now, if you are going to be creating this consolidation, that would be the perfect opportunity in the market. Of course, I've been giving you opportunity after opportunity. First of all, at this Bitcoin bottom over here. Then second of all, with this huge Bitcoin breakout we did get. And now the third opportunity is going to be coming up if we are going to be creating this consolidation over here. So if you do want to be taking advantage, make sure to be checking out that link down below, because with that link down below, if you sign up a new account, deposit $100, you can be getting a $500 trade over on Bybit. So make sure to be checking out that link down below. Click on Claiming Rewards Hub, and there you go. You're going to be eligible for your free trade over here. Just deposit $100, and like you can be seeing over here, I can be claiming my free trade right now. So definitely make sure to be checking it out. Bybit is my own preferred exchange, so if you are going to be eligible to be signing up over on Bybit, definitely make sure to be checking it out. And also with this link, you're also going to be eligible for this $40,000 deposit bonus. So make sure to use this link over here. And guys, having a look into what's the longer term for Bitcoin. Definitely Bitcoin is creating a huge bull flag pattern right now, starting to look very good. Now this price target is sitting at 100k level. That would be an absolutely insane price target in my opinion. At the same time, Bitcoin is also creating this broadening wedge pattern. And if we are just going to be having a look into what's the weekly time frame, well, it is just looking so good in my opinion. This whole structure over here is just looking absolutely lovely. We are just creating a perfect consolidation right over here. Got a shakeout over here, a huge liquidity grab. Right now moving back towards the upside. So if we are going to be seeing this breakout back towards the upside, definitely I do think that these price targets over here are going to be getting reached. Now actually having a look into what's Ethereum in my opinion is going to be starting to outperform Bitcoin anytime soon. If you are going to be having a look into what's this chart, yes, a huge breakout is going to be inevitable anytime soon. And also that Ethereum spot ETF is about to launch next week. So definitely I think that Ethereum is about to blast off towards the upside, is about to outperform Bitcoin. Just in general, all of these altcoins, in my opinion, are going to be outperforming Bitcoin in the coming few weeks to the coming few months. So definitely do be prepared for that. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.